everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Nicole here from my Pandora Charmed Life. Today's video is going to showcase some new releases that Aurora Charm just came out with. I'm going to show you a new bangle and a few new charms, and I've already actually designed with one of the new charms. It is 4th of July here in the United States. I'm wearing my 4th of July shirt, and one of those charms went straight to my 4th of July bracelet. So stay tuned to take a look at the new charms that Aurora has recently come out with, along with the bangle. These charms were released between the month of May and June, so they are currently available on their website at auroracharm.com. And a reminder, for those of you who are first-time buyers from Aurora, you get 10% off your first purchase if you register your email. So don't forget to do that if you do order from Aurora Charm. Stay tuned as we take a closer look at these items. The first item we're going to take a close look at is the new bangle. Now this one just released as of July 1st, and this is the Hawaiian summer bangle. It is an open bangle. This one is a size 19, and what I'm trying to capture as best as I could on film is the engraving of some Hawaiian flowers on here. It's really pretty in real life. The video camera is not doing it justice, but it's engraved and then it looks like it's like accented with almost a black enamel is what it looks like to me. It's a very pretty bangle. Again, just like their Celtic bangle, it is pretty enough to just wear on its own or to use with charms. So I'm really excited for the idea that I have on how I'm going to style this bangle. Some more to come on that on a future video. The next two charms that we're going to look at, Aurora wanted to capture the carnivals that you might see in Venice. So they're the Venetian carnivals, and they're basically mask charms. This one I think has so much incredible detail to it. It actually reminds me of like a joker or a court jester or something like that. But I just love how full like these little ringlet things are from his hat. They have little balls at the end. The enamel is done really well. It's black and red enamel. And then when you look at the face, there's so much incredible detail in this face, and you could see some of the yellow enamel that starts at the top and goes to the bottom. This is just incredible. The side, you have black and red checker pattern here off to the side. A lot of detail that goes into this. Now this is a bigger charm. This is something I would probably use as a pendant on a necklace or something, just because it's like a bam out there centerpiece. Probably too big on a bracelet for my liking, but definitely something that I would put on a necklace. Now they also made a female version. This one is called Geneva, and this one has a lot of feather detail to it. Instead of black and red enamel, there's use of red and white enamel, and then you still have that yellow enamel that helps complement the Leonardo. Along with the feather, it looks like there might be a flower right there, but again, they got even a little bit of enamel detail in here to show the red and white enamel. Beautifully done. These are an amazing pair, and again, even on the back of this one, they just kept up that feather detail. It's beautiful regardless of which way you were looking at it. These masks actually remind me of when I was younger. I had a lot of theater masks hanging up on my wall. They were ceramic, and these kind of remind me of that. The last new charm that I have to show you is the American Patriot. This one was released in June, so just in time to get it to celebrate the 4th of July. What I did not know about this charm, well, I did know because it says online, but I didn't realize how pretty the blue glass was on the inside. I'm going to actually insert a picture at the end of this on how I ended up styling this, because I took a picture outside for Instagram just so you can see that blue glass in there. It's so pretty, and I was just surprised at like how much it was going to stand out in person. And then you have the white enamel on the stars, and a little strip of red on the outside. Now I'll show you how I styled this bead. I actually didn't use just Aurora. I partnered it with my Pandora bracelet, and I'll show you that now. This is how I ended up styling with the American Patriot bead. Again, it is on a Pandora bangle. The thing that I love about charms, because I have a huge appreciation for all the different brands out there, is I love when they can be used with other brands. So I know some of the bracelets, I don't recommend that. It'll void their warranty. I know Pandora does that, but I don't care because I want to design, you know, the perfect design for me, so I mix and match and just take that risk. I've never had any issues with another brand hurting like the bracelet that I was using. So here's just a quick look at how I styled it, just so you can get an overview of how it looks mixed with Pandora on a Pandora bangle. Matches my nails. Everything's just so 4th of July right now. So there you have it. There are the new items. Stay tuned for a future video where I go through how I'm going to design the Hawaiian bangle. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to show you what I do with it. It's going to be very summery. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a great 4th if you're in the US, and if not, I hope you're having a great weekend. Leave a comment below and let me know what you liked most of these new items. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you.